internet. Things were simpler then. Websites were basic, email marketing was cutting edge. We were all just figuring things out. It was the Wild West of digital marketing. Businesses were just starting to build their online presence. We were all experimenting. It was a time of trial and error, but there was a sense of excitement. We knew the internet was going to be huge. We just didn't know exactly how. We were making it up as we went along. It was a time of incredible innovation. There were no rule books. The focus was on getting online. Businesses scrambled to create websites. They sent out mass emails. It was all about reaching as many people as possible. We didn't know any better. It was quantity over quality. Things started to change quickly. Search engines like Google became more sophisticated. Social media platforms emerged. Suddenly we had data, lots of data, and we learned how to use it. We got smarter about targeting our audiences. Email marketing evolved. We moved from generic blasts to segmented campaigns. We started tracking open rates and click-through rates. We used A/B testing to optimize our emails. We were getting better at reaching the right people with the right message. Search engine optimization, or SEO, became crucial. We learned how to optimize websites for search engines. We researched keywords. We built backlinks. We tracked our rankings. We wanted to be found online. Social media marketing exploded. Businesses created profiles on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We ran ads. We engaged with followers. We built communities. It was a whole new way to connect with customers. Then came artificial intelligence, or AI. Talk about a game changer. AI revolutionized digital marketing. It automated tasks. It personalized experiences. It provided valuable insights. It changed everything. Chatbots started handling customer service inquiries. AI-powered tools helped us create targeted content. Predictive analytics gave us insights into consumer behavior. We could anticipate needs and personalize interactions. It was like having an extra team member working 24/7. Marketing automation platforms became essential. These platforms streamlined our campaigns. They sent personalized emails at the right time. They nurtured leads and moved them through the sales funnel. They freed up our time so we could focus on strategy. Today, it's all about personalization. Consumers expect personalized experiences. They want to feel special. They want brands to understand their needs, and they're willing to share their data to get it. We have more data than ever before. We use this data to create hyper-personalized experiences. We tailor our messages to individual preferences. We recommend products based on past purchases. We create targeted content that resonates with specific interests. Voice search is changing the game. People are using voice assistants like Alexa and Siri to search for information and make purchases. We're optimizing our content for voice search. We're creating voice-activated experiences. We're adapting to this new way of interacting with technology. Sustainability and ethical marketing are no longer optional. Consumers care about the environment. They care about social responsibility. They want to support brands that share their values. We're being transparent about our practices. We're promoting our commitment to sustainability. We're aligning our brand with social causes. Section 5, Beyond the Screen, AR, VR, and the Future of Experience. Hold on tight, because things are about to get really interesting. Augmented reality, or AR, and virtual reality, VR, are transforming the customer experience. These technologies blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds. They create immersive and engaging experiences. Imagine trying on clothes virtually without leaving your house, or taking a VR tour of a hotel room before booking your stay. AR can overlay product information onto the real world. The possibilities are endless. AR and VR are still in the early stages, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way we shop, travel, and experience the world around us. Section 6, Building Trust, Authenticity in a Digital World. With all this technology, it's easy to lose sight of what really matters: human connection. In this age of digital overload, people crave authenticity. They want real connections with brands. They want to feel understood. So how do we build trust and authenticity in a digital world? It starts with being human. Be yourself. Show your personality. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable. People can spot a fake a mile away. Be genuine, and they'll be more likely to connect with you. Transparency is key. Be upfront about your products and services. Don't try to hide anything. Own your mistakes. Be open to feedback. The more transparent you are, the more trust you'll build. Section 7, Privacy Matters, Navigating the Data Landscape. Data privacy is more important than ever. Consumers are concerned about how their data is being collected and used. They want to be in control of their information, and they have every right to be. We need to be respectful of people's privacy. We need to be transparent about how we collect and use data. We need to give people choices. We need to earn their trust. Stricter privacy regulations are being implemented around the world. We need to stay informed and adapt our strategies accordingly. Section 8, the blockchain buzz, transparency and security. Blockchain is another technology that's shaking things up. Blockchain is a decentralized and secure way to store and transmit information. It has the potential to revolutionize digital marketing. Blockchain can help us create more transparent and accountable advertising ecosystems. It can prevent fraud and ensure that ads are seen by real people. It can also give consumers more control over their data. We're still in the early stages of exploring blockchain's potential in marketing, but it's a technology to watch closely. Section 9. Back to the future, embracing the human touch. So, what's the future of digital marketing? It's all about finding the right balance between technology and the human touch. We need to use technology to enhance our efforts, not replace human interaction. We need to remember that marketing is about people. It's about connecting with people on an emotional level. It's about building relationships. Let's use technology to make those connections stronger. Let's use it to create more personalized and meaningful experiences. The future of digital marketing is exciting. It's full of possibilities, but it's important to remember the fundamentals. Be authentic, be transparent, be human, and never stop experimenting. That's how you crush it.